What's the meaning of commis chef? Commis chef. Commis chef.
Commis chef. Commis chef. A commis chef is a junior chef who works in a professional kitchen and serves as an assistant to other chefs. Their duties can include preparing ingredients, cooking basic dishes, and maintaining the cleanliness of the kitchen. Commis chefs are often responsible for tasks such as peeling vegetables, cleaning meat and fish, and washing dishes. They may also be tasked with basic cooking techniques such as boiling pasta or frying eggs. Overall, their role is to support other chefs in creating high-quality dishes for customers.